is this place? I must have been asleep for at least 5 years now. The last thing I remember is a dog was there and that man was there. And what kind of strings are these? What? What is this? What? What? I became a puppet. I became a puppet. What, my hands? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I have to stand up. I have to stand up. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. Whoa. Whoa. What is this? What is this? My hands. Oh, God, no. God, no. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I'm a puppet. Oh, I'm a puppet. What kind of place is this? I have to find a way. I have to find a way. A way out of here. I gotta find a way. I gotta find a way. What? I became a puppet. Well, okay. Let's do this. One thing first. This and this. First things first. How am I gonna get out of here? How am I gonna get out of here? Okay, now let's see. I can go that way, or I can go that way. And it's just too weird. It's too weird. I can go up. No, I can't. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do now? Hey, there's a dog. There's a dog right there. But there's no doors. There's no doors. What? Is this a room without doors, or what is this? Man, this sucks. What am I gonna do? I'm so stiff. I can't get used to this puppet body. It's just too weird. You know? Imagine if you wake up and you're a puppet. What do? First thing you do. Okay, now, think. Come on, think with your head. What is the first thing you do? What is? Let's see. It's warm under this light. And it's cold, man. It's cold in this room. I think I'm just gonna go and sleep under this light a little bit and think it through, just thinking in my head. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. What can you do? You can... I don't know. I'm gonna go and sleep right there. God damn! Goddamn light. My head. used to this body. This is weird. Too fucking weird. God damn. My body's so stiff. But it's cozy under this bell. I mean light, whatever it is. I'm gonna sleep now. Tomorrow, I'm gonna figure out a way to get out of this room. Tomorrow.